Okay, we've been studying density, so today we're going to see how temperature affects density. So here we have two jars. Here we have the cold water represented by the blue water and the hot water represented by the yellow water. And so I'm simply going to take this piece of clear plastic and place it over our cold water here. Okay, and I'm going to turn this upside down. If you do this at home, be very careful. And I'm going to slide it over here. So here we have the blue on top of the yellow, so cold water on top, warm water on the bottom. So when we pull this out, what should happen? Probably as you would expect. Yellow and blue make green. Okay, so the cold water is sinking to the bottom there. So let's repeat that same experiment. I'm going to move this over a little bit. We're going to repeat that same experiment with the second set that we have prepared. So here we have cold water and warm water once again. Okay. And so I'm going to add just a little more cold water here, just to top that off. Okay. So I'm going to put this plastic over it. Sorry, we're doing this the other way. We're going to put the warm water on top this time. So I'm going to do it this way. So here we have the warm water. It's going to be on top here. So we have the warm water on top, cold water on the bottom. When we pull this out, we don't have the mixing because the warm water is less dense, so it's floating on top of the cold water. Eventually, if we let this here, both of them would reach the same temperature and they would mix, and we would see a green level at the thermocline.